In the Valley of Noor, Chandni soars through a realm of glowing flora and shimmering waters. Laughter echoes as children dance among the flowers. Chandni overhears whispers about a magic flower blooming atop the silent mountain, capable of granting wishes. Under a canopy of sun-dappled leaves, Chandni treads along the winding mountain path. A somber cloud weeps silently, its tears vanishing before they touch the earth. The cloud sighs, "I can't rain, I'm useless." Chandni, her breath ragged, stands at the summit, the magic flower shimmering before her. The stone dragon's eyes flare with ancient power as it challenges her. "Before you claim the flower, Chandni, tell me, have you helped anyone on your journey?" Chandni replies, "Yes, I met a sad cloud weeping because it had no rain to give. I helped it find its tears again by reminding it of the beautiful landscapes it could water."